Have you ever met someone that you found attractive until they smiled and you were immediately turned off by their ugly, yellow, discolored teeth? Have you ever wondered if someone had the same thoughts about you? Numerous studies show that a wider smile makes people think you are younger, more attractive, wealthier, and more educated. Match.com recently polled 5,000 single people and found that a beautiful smile was the most attractive quality men and women looked for in someone that they wanted to meet. According to another study by the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, a wider smile will increase your attractiveness by 20%. A study conducted by Oral-B found a person with white teeth was assumed to be making $16,000 more than a person with yellowish teeth, and that a person with white teeth was more employable and considered twice as likely to have graduated from college. It is my honor to introduce Cleaner Smile Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, an FDA-approved revolutionary breakthrough involving a simple 15-minute remedy that can make your teeth up to 8 shades lighter with just one easy at-home treatment. After many months of research and testing, our scientists achieved breakthrough results using advanced LED blue light therapy combined with our scientifically designed 35% carbamide peroxide gel. Our precisely formulated rapid responding gel is activated by the LED blue light on the teeth surface and immediately separates at the molecular level. This chemical breakdown process allows the gel to deeply penetrate the teeth to lift embedded stains caused by years of coffee, cola, smoking wine, and aging. A study published in the National Institute of Health on 35% carbamide peroxide, our active ingredient, shows it to be the most safe, fast, and effective ingredient available in teeth whitening. There is no other product on the market that can whiten your teeth safer, faster, or more effectively at home than Cleaner Smile. Each kit is assembled in our GMP and FDA certified facility to ensure each component is manufactured under strict guidelines in a safe and regulated environment to guarantee the highest quality. Over 128,320 people have already improved their life with Cleaner Smile, and today you can too. After just one use of our product, I guarantee your teeth to be 8 shades lighter and you will appear younger, more attractive, and wealthier. Each kit comes with one LED blue light applicator mouthpiece and 3 maintenance pens, each filled with our scientifically designed gel, a full 90-day supply to maintain your pearly whites. All for a simple fee of just $69. Yes, that's right, just $69. That's absolutely the best price we have ever offered. But before you order, we do recommend our 4-kit package, which will allow you to maintain your bright, whiter smile for a full year, but at an incredible limited time discount. This will save you even more money on top of today's special pricing. And as I said before, the special pricing is only for today or until our limited inventory runs out. The price of our kits are rising due to demand, and our current inventory is selling out fast. All the more reason that picking up 4 kits today is a smart decision. Your order today is a one-time payment with no auto ship, subscription, or hidden charges. Look below, and if Cleaner Smile is still in stock, you'll see 3 money-saving options below this video. Select your package and click the button to proceed to our 256-bit secure order page that looks exactly like this. Fill in your order information and confirm your order. We'll get your kit delivered directly to your door right away. This offer is only available on this page. It's not available anywhere else on the internet, and you will not find it available in any stores. I've eliminated all of the middlemen to bring you absolutely the best price available. And to prove that you have absolutely nothing to worry about, I'm giving you a 60-day risk-free guarantee. If you don't immediately experience dramatically whiter and brighter teeth, even if you use up the entire kit and you want to get your money back, it won't be an issue. All you have to do is contact us within 60 days. We'll refund your purchase price with no questions asked. You have nothing to lose. Just choose your order below. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, no auto ship, just a safe and secure one-time charge. And remember, your order is 100% protected by my 60-day money-back guarantee. So place your order now.